In this video, I will show you how you can set up your AirTag with your iPad 11 A16. Now doing that is very simple. Now after you unbox your AirTag, now on your iPad just open settings. Now under settings, just tap on your Apple ID. From here just tap on Find My and make sure that Find My iPad is enabled. Also enable Find My Network and send last location. After you enable all the three options, then just go back one step and enable the toggle for Share My Location. Now after you do all of that, now just go to your home screen and open the Find My app. Now over here, just tap on Items. Now under the Items section, just tap on Add Item. Select AirTag. And after you do that, this pop-up will appear on the screen. If this pop-up does not appear on the screen, then just keep your AirTag close to your iPad. Then tap on Add Item and select AirTag. And after you do that, this pop-up will appear on the screen. Now just tap on Connect. And from here, just select for what you want to use your AirTag. And you can select any of these options, or you can select a custom name. Now if you select custom name, then tap on Continue. Over here, just create a name for your AirTag. After you create the name, then tap on Continue. Now you can set an emoji for your AirTag, or you can just leave it as it is. For example, I will select this icon. After you do that, then just tap on Continue and select Agree and select Done. And as you can see, we have successfully added our AirTag to our iPad. And this is it. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.